See, so far we have discussed the various structures for realization of FIR filters. They are first one is direct form, and the second one is cascade form, and the third one is linear phase realization. So linear phase realization is also called as minimum number of multiplier method. So for example 3.34, so draw the direct form structure. So this is the problem which is given. So for this transfer function, you have to realize the FIR system using direct form. So that is the question which is given. So draw the direct form structure of the FIR system described by the transfer function. So this is the transfer function which is given. For this particular transfer function, you have to realize the FIR system using direct form 1. So h of z equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse plus 3 by 8 z power minus 2 plus 5 by 4 z power minus 3 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 4 plus 7 by 8 z power minus 5. So here it is clear that by looking this transfer function, so the multipliers are, so 1 by 2, that is the multipliers here are, that is 1 by 2, then that is 1 is also a multiplier, 1, then 1 by 2, 3 by 8, 5 by 4, 1 by 2 and 7 by 8 are the multipliers, and the delay elements are 5 delay elements which they have used in the transfer function, which they have given in the transfer function, z power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So totally 5 delay elements and 5 multipliers, constant multipliers are there. So by using these delay elements and constant multipliers, so and number of adders which is required to realize this transfer function are, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 adders which are required and 5 delay elements are required, and 5 that is 6 constant multipliers are required to realize this transfer function using direct form 1. So first solution, let us consider h of z. H of z, we know that transfer function which is the ratio of output divided by input, that is h of z which is equal to y of z divided by x of z. It is given that. So this is the equation, 1 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 1 plus 3 by 8 z power minus 2 plus 5 by 4 z power minus 3 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 4 plus 7 by 8 z power minus 5. So this is the transfer function which is given. But for realizing any system, either it may be direct form or cascade form or linear phase realization, while or otherwise the IIR in IIR filter. So whatever the system it may be, first you have to find the output. For that particular output only we can realize the system. So here the output is y of z. You have to cross multiply this equation. So cross multiplying this equation, that is y of z which is equal to x of z. This x of z is common for each and every element in the given equation. So y of z equal to x of z plus 1 by 2 into z power minus 1 into x of z plus 3 by 8 into z power minus 2 into x of z plus 5 by 4 z power minus 3 into x of z plus 1 by 2 z power minus 4 into x of z plus 7 by 8 z power minus 5 into x of z. So this is the output of the given FIR system. For this output, you have to realize by using direct form. So as already told that by looking this equation, so output is y of z and x of z is the input, and total delay elements, you have to keep the delay elements, 5 delay elements in a horizontal manner, z power minus 1, z power minus 1, z power minus 1, z power minus 1, z power minus 1. Similarly, multipliers are, how many multipliers are required? Here x of z is the input and y of z is the output, and multipliers are required here is 6 multipliers are required to realize this FIR system. So the first multiplier is, so 1. So 1 is the one multiplier, then 1 by 2, then 3 by 8, 5 by 4, 1 by 2, 7 by 8. Accordingly, in this manner, you can connect z power minus 1, z power 5 delay elements and 5 multipliers which are required to realize this FIR system. And adders which are required by looking this equation, equation number 1, number of adders which are required are 5 adders are required, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adders. So use 5 adders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to connect. So here x of z plus 1 by 2 into z power, compare this with the equation number 1. So x of z plus is added with 1 by 2 into x of z into z power minus 1, and this is 3 by 8 into z power minus 2 into x of z, and this is 5 by 4 into z power minus 3 into x of z, and this is 1 by 2 into x of z into z power minus 4, and this is 7 by 8 into x of z into z power minus 5. So while adding all this, you will get the output y of z. While adding all this, you will get the output y of z. See, this is the output y of z, which is equal to adding this and this 5 by 4 z power minus 3 into x of z, and 3 by 8 z power minus x of z, 1 by 2 x of z into z power minus 1 plus this x of z. X of z is the input and y of z is the output. Adding all this, you will get the output of the system. So this is the direct form structure of this FIR system. And the second one is, so this question is over. So draw the direct form structure of FIR system described by the transfer function. So like this, the equation they will give for this first. You have to write h of z equal to y of z by x of z, and you have to cross multiply, find the output value y of z. For this particular output, you have to draw the structure. So by considering this number of delay elements, number of multipliers and orders which are used in the structure, by considering all these elements, we can draw the structure of this FIR system. And the next very important thing is realize the following system. Realize the following system with minimum number of multipliers. So either the cascade form. So this is said to be the cascade form h of z, which is equal to h1 of z into h2 of z. So this is this equation which is in the form of h1 of z into h2 of z. You have to realize this h1 of z by using minimum number of multipliers, and so also you have to realize this also by using minimum number of multipliers method. So in the example 3.35, it is given that realize the following system with minimum number of multipliers. So question number A, h of z, which is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 1 plus 3 by 4 into z power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 3 plus 1 by 4 z power minus 4. You consider this h of z. For this transfer function, you have to realize by using minimum number of multipliers method, or otherwise it is called as linear phase realization. So as already told that by realizing this FIR system by using minimum number of multipliers method, or otherwise linear phase realization, it should satisfy the condition of symmetry. As I already told that the condition of symmetry, any system that can be realized in minimum number of multipliers method or otherwise linear phase realization, that should satisfy the condition of symmetry. And you take the transfer function which is given in the problem. For that, you realize, before realizing that, you check the condition of symmetry, whether it satisfies the condition of symmetry or not. Accordingly, you can check first before realizing. First, by the definition of Z transform. So this is the definition of Z transform. As I already know that h of z equal to summation n equal to 0 to that n minus 1 h of n into z power minus n. So substituting n equal to 0, h of 0, z power 0 will be 1. H of 0 plus h of 1 into z power minus 1 plus h of 2 into z power minus 2 plus h of 3 into z power minus 3. And you have to compare this with this equation. You have to compare this with this equation, equation 1, and to consider this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Comparing these two, in the place of h of 0, 1 by 4 will be there. In the place of h of 1, 1 by 2. In the place of h of 2, 3 by 4. In the place of h of 3, 1 by 2. In the place of h of 4, 1 by 4. Accordingly, while comparing these two, you will get the value of impulse response h of n. So for the given particular transfer function and the definition of Z transform, you have to comparing this equation number 1 and 2, you will get the impulse response h of n as, so 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So this is the condition of symmetry. As already however, we can check the condition of symmetry. See, here the capital N value is 1, 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Capital N is 5. Capital N is 5, small n is 0 to 6. Normally h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4. So small n is n minus 1. Capital N minus 1 is the small n. and here number of samples in the sequence is 5, and small in n varies from 0 to n minus 1, that is h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4. And check the condition of symmetry. How we can check the condition of symmetry means, here satisfy the this is the condition of symmetry, h of n equal to h of n minus 1 minus n. For example, I am going to consider the value of h of, that is n as 0. So here h of 0 which is equal to h of capital N is 5. So 5 minus 1, that is 4 minus 0. So h of 0 equal to h of 4. You check here h of 0 equal to h of 4. This is h of 0 is 1 by 4. H of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4. See, both the values of h of 0 equal to h of 4. And similarly, h of 1 which is equal to, so this is h of 1, h of 1 equal to h of 3. So this is the center of symmetry. This 3 by 4 is center of symmetry, that is h of 0, 1, 2, h of 2 which is equal to h of 2. So this is the center of symmetry. You have to substitute here capital N as 5, small n varies between 0 to 4. Accordingly, we can substitute and we can, so obviously it satisfies the condition of symmetry. And similarly let h of z equal to, for this, so where the condition of symmetry is satisfied, so we can realize this transfer function by using linear phase realization. And you have to compare. So let the given transfer function, let previously we have taken right. So h of z equal to y of z by x of z, h of z equal to y of z by x of z equal to this equation, and cross multiplying this equation we can write y of z as 1 by 4 into x of z plus 1 by 2 into x of z into z power minus 1, 3 by 4 into x of z into z power minus 2, plus 1 by 2 into z power minus 3 into x of z plus 1 by 4 into z power minus 4 into x of z you will get. And in order to, so this is this method is also called as a minimum number of multipliers method. In order to reduce the number of multipliers in this method, so 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, we can reduce the multipliers by taking commonly this 1 by 4 in this equation. Similarly, by taking commonly this 1 by 2 in this, so we can reduce two number of multipliers here. While taking this 1 by 4 out here, so only one multiplier instead of two multipliers, one multiplier which is enough. So 1 by 4, take 1 by 4 out, then x of z plus z power minus 4 into x of z. So we can write, while considering this first element and last element in this equation, we can write like this. And similarly, we can consider this 1 by 2 out. 1 by 2, while taking 1 by 2 out, z power minus 1 into x of z, and this z power minus 3 into x of z. And this is 3 by 4. This is the center of symmetry, that will be separate element. 3 by 4 into z power minus 2 into x of z. So, and you can realize this output by using linear phase realization and minimum number of multipliers. So obviously, while comparing with this equation, number of multipliers are, two multipliers are reduced here. Instead of directly using this 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, only one multiplier is enough. And instead of using this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, so one multiplier is enough. So realize this output by using minimum number of multipliers method. So this is considered, this is equation number 3. See, for this particular equation number 3, so total adders which are required, see, number of adders which are required are 4 adders which are required. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 adders which are required, and 3 multipliers. 1 by 4 is one multiplier, 1 by 2, then 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 are the multipliers are required. And adders which are required, 1, 2, 3, 4 adders are required, 3 multipliers are required, and delay elements. So 4 delay elements which are required. So totally 4 delay elements which have been used in the equation number 3. And input is x of z and output is y of z, and multipliers which are required as 3 multipliers are required, 4 delay elements are required, and 3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 adders which are required. See, keep this z power minus 1 here, 1 z power minus 1 here, and z power minus 1, z power minus 1, z power minus 1. So in clockwise direction, you have to keep z power minus 1 here, z power minus 1, z power minus 1, and z power minus 1. And as already told that 4 adders which are required here, use one adder here and other adder is here. So before these two delay elements, you have to use one adder here, and before these two delay elements, you have to use another adder here. So it is in the clockwise direction. 4 delay elements that we have used: 1, 2, 3, or otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 delay elements which I have used. For these 2 delay elements, you have to use one adder. For these 2 delay elements, you have to use other adder. And take tapping and x of z. Here x of z, and clockwise. This should be in clockwise direction. X of z and x of z into z power minus 1, and x of z into, this is x of z into z power minus 2, and this is x of the output of this delay element. The output of this delay element is x of z into z power minus 1. The output of this delay element is cascaded. So x of z into z power minus 2, and the output of this delay element is x of z into z power minus 3, and output of this delay element is x of z into z power minus 3. And take tapping. So this should be in clockwise direction. This should be in clockwise direction. And take tapping. So I have to connect like this. Connect like this. And take tapping from these two adders. Take tapping from these two adders. And separately I have to take link from this, because this 3 by 4 is separate. So only we can connect this 3 by 4 here, and this 1 by 4, which is common. 1 by 4 is here, 1 by 2 is here, and 3 by 4 is here. While looking this structure, looking this structure, this value will be the output of this multiplier. That will be 1 by 4 into, so here x of z plus this x of z plus x of z into z power minus 4 is multiplied with this 1 by 4. And here z power minus 3 into x of z plus z power minus 1 into x of z, that is multiplied with 1 by 2. And this 3 by 4 into this is z power minus 2 into x of z. This 3 by 4 into z power minus 2 into x of z. So here you have to use two adders. Don't use adder here. And two adders are already we have used, and two adders here, and connect. We will get the output y of z. So this is said to be the minimum number of multipliers method. And the second problem we will easily understand. B. So here also number of multipliers, we can reduce one multiplier here. Take 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 out, we can reduce one multiplier here. See here. Similarly, how to take this 1 by 4, instead of using these two 1 by 4, how to use 1 by 4. And here 3 by 2 is common. Obviously 1, 2, 3 multipliers have been reduced in question number B. We'll discuss now. See, question number B, let h of z equal to y of z by x of z. How to consider? Then y of z equal to multiply this, cross multiply this x of z. And as I already told that 1 by 3, take 1 by 3 out from this first element and last element. That will be like this. And 1 by 4, take 1 by 4 from here and here. That will be z power minus 1 into x of, that is z power minus 1 into x of z. Then x of z into z power minus 4. And take 3 by 2 here. Then 3 by 2 would be common. So z power minus 2 into x of z, then z power minus 3 into x of z. For this equation number 4, you have to realize by using. So obviously 1, 2, 3 multipliers have been reduced in equation number 4. So similarly here also, so number of adders which are required to realize this system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adders which are required here. Normally 5 adders are required, and 3 multipliers are required. 3 multipliers, 5 adders. Number of delay elements are 5 delay elements are required. 5 delay elements, 5 adders, 3 multipliers, and x of z is the input, y of z is the output. By considering all this, we can realize the system. See. And multiply, that is delay elements are 5 delay elements. 1, 2, that is 2 multipliers, 2 delay elements here, and other 2 delay elements here, and 5 will be there. So a separate delay element that should be here. So 2, 4, 5 delay elements. That should be in clockwise direction as already told. And multipliers are 1, 2, 3. 3 multipliers you have to connect. And one adder between these delay elements, other adder between these two delay elements, other adder that should be between these two delay elements. Okay, one adder you have to use here, one other adder, and the third adder here. Okay, and take the tapping, and the output of this delay element should be z power minus 1 into x of z, and this is z power minus 2 into x of z, and this is z power clock. This should be in clockwise direction. First you have to connect this in clockwise direction. Z power minus 1 into x of z, z power minus 2 into x of z, z power minus 3 into x of z, z power minus 4 into x of z, z power minus 5 into x of z. And take the tapping from this adder and from this adder and from this adder. So 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 should be, and this 1 by 4, and this 3 by 2. And this 1 by 3 is multiplied with this x of z plus z power minus 5 into x of z. And this 1 by 4 is multiplied with z power minus 4 into x of z and z power minus 1 into x of z. And this one 3 by 2 is multiplied with this z power minus 2 into x of z and plus z power minus 3 into x of z. And the output you will get as y of z. There will be a separate z power minus 1 here because 5 delay elements which we have used. Earlier we have used 4 delay elements. So this one is not required earlier. So here 5 delay elements used. So suppose if 7 delay elements which have been used means here 2 delay elements, here 2 delay elements, and here 2 delay elements, and in that center 1 delay element should be there. And the third, while looking this transfer function, h of z which is equal to h1 of z into h2 of z, h of z equal to h1 of z into h2 of z. You have to realize this h1 of z separately by using linear phase realization. And similarly, you have to, this is h1 of z and this is h2 of z. h1 of z can be realized by linear phase realization, and h2 of z can be realized by using linear phase realization. And connect the output of this h1 of z should be the input of this h2 of z. See, while looking this h of z, let h of z equal to h1 of z into h2 of z. h1 of z which is equal to, we can write as y1 of z by x of z. So this value, then cross multiply, y1 of z will get as 1 by 5 x of z, 1 by 2 into z power minus 1 into x of z, 1 by 5 into x of z into z power minus 2. And take 1 by 5 out, x of z plus 1 by 2, that is 1 by, take 1 by 5 out, x of z plus 1 by 5 into z power minus 2. Then 1 by 2 into z power minus 1 into x of z. Similarly, as already told that the output of system number 1 is input of system number 2. That is output divided by input. Here the output is input for this h2 of z. Output is, there is an input as x of z. Output as, common output as y of z. The output for this is y1 of z. So output divided by input. The output is y1 of z. So input for this is y1 of z. So h2 of z equal to y of z divided by y1 of z. Similarly, how to realize this? So y of z equal to 1 by 7 into y1 of z, 1 by 4 into y1 of z into z power minus 1, 1 by 7 into y1 of z into z power minus 2. And realize, so here 1 by 7 and 1 by 7 is common and 1 by 4 is different. So 2 address which are required, and 2 delay elements are required, and 2 multipliers are required. See, 2 delay elements, I have to use one adder here. So take tapping. So this output of this delay element is z power minus 1 into y1 of z and z power minus 2 into y2 of z. And the output for this multiplier is 1 by 7 into y1 of z plus z power minus 2 into y1 of z. And this will be 1 by 4 into z power minus 1 into y1 of z. And you have to use one more adder here. You will get the value of y of z. And finally, you have to connect the output of system number 1 is y1 of z is the input of system number 2. You have to connect in cascade manner. That is h1 of z and h2 of z. So this is the overall structure of this h of z. This is the value of this is the structure for h1 of z, and this is the structure for h2 of z. While combining these two, you will get the overall cascade structure by using linear phase realization. That's all about the realization of FIR filters by direct form 1 and cascade form and linear phase realization. It is very, very important. Definitely one question will be from this topic. So this comes under module number 5. Those who are having doubts, you can ask me. I will clarify your doubts in the problems. Ruchita,
Yes, sir.
you have doubt, you ask me, Ruchita, I will clarify. No doubt.
No, sir.
No, you are clear.
No, sir.
You are clear or not clear, Ruchita?
Clear, sir.
Clear, okay. Arun Prasad Yadav?
Yes, sir.
You are clear or you have doubt? If you have
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
ask me, I will clarify.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Vidya?
Yes, sir.
You are clear in the structure of FIR systems.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You work out, Vidya, you work out all. For all I am telling you. So you work out. If you have any doubt, you note down your doubts, then you clarify in the next
Okay,
class.
sir.
Okay. You work out first. You work out, then you clarify in the next class. Pratik, what about you, man?
So first we have to do
What, Pratik? Your voice is not audible, Pratik. I think there is a problem in network. Your voice is not audible. Yemanjali? Yemanjali? You are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are clear, Yemanjali?
Clear, sir.
Okay. You have doubt, you note it down and ask in the next class, Yemanjali.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Vikas Kumar Shah.
Yes, sir.
You are clear, Vikas Kumar? Vikas? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear, Vikas?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have doubt, you note it down and ask Vikas in the next class. Pratik, you tell me, man, now.
So at first we have to do calculation, then after we have to do cascading.
Voice is not audible, Pratik.
Or we can analyze and we can what to do, sir? Same is
There is a problem in your network, Pratik, I think. Huh? Yeah, tell me, Pratik, not a problem. Tell me.
sir. Later on I will be asking, sir, when I will have good net, sir.
Now the connectivity is not good. In the next class, you ask me, I will clarify. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Then Misbah, you don't have earphone. Okay. So thank you one and all. We will meet in the next class. Okay, you all go through the structures of this FIR filter, and those who are having doubts, you note it down and you clarify in the next class. Okay. So thank you one and all. Ruchita, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Arun Prasad Yadav, thank you. Pratik, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Vidya, thank you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you
Take
take
care,
care, Vidya.
sir.
You are in your native or Bangalore?
Bangalore, sir.
Where the cases are increasing, so only I'm telling you, take care of your health, Vidya. Don't roam anywhere in Bangalore.
Okay, sir.
You take care of your health. It is very, very important.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hemanjali, thank you very much, Hemanjali.
Yes, sir.
Don't roam anywhere, Hemanjali. You
Thank you, sir.
stay home.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vikas,
Okay,
thank you.
sir.
Thank you, Vikas. You take care of your health, Vikas.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you are your native or Bangalore, Vikas?
Bangalore, sir.
You are for you also, man. You don't roam anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Now the cases are exponentially increasing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I disconnect now?
See you, sir.
Okay, see you all. Bye.
Bye bye.
Remaining time is only 1 minute. I will disconnect now. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Take care of your health. Thank you all.